The 2025 Ford F-150 XL SuperCrew is here at MSA Ford, and it is ready to get to work. This 4x2 truck features the powerful 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine and a stunning Antimatter Blue Metallic exterior. It comes equipped with top-tier features like a 12-inch screen with Sync 4 and electronic voice recognition, durable black running boards, and a factory-installed spray-in bedliner. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. Get ready to dominate the roads of the Fraser Valley in a truck that never backs down. If you need a vehicle that works as hard as you do, the 2025 F-150 XL is the perfect match for life in Abbotsford and beyond. Whether you are hauling gear to a job site in Mission or navigating the busy streets near Mill Lake, this F-150 provides the performance you need with its 145-inch wheelbase and 6,426-pound gross vehicle weight rating. It sits on 17-inch silver steel wheels wrapped in light truck 265/70 R17C black sidewall all-terrain tires, giving you the grip you need for the local terrain. Inside, you will find a functional and comfortable cabin featuring Dark Slate ActiveX 40/20/40 seating and power door locks. For those long drives through the valley, the massive 136-liter fuel tank ensures you can go the distance without constant stops at the pump. This truck is also loaded with smart technology, including the blind spot information system with cross-traffic alert, lane keeping system, and a Class 4 trailer hitch for all your towing needs. You also get the convenience of cruise control and a tilt and telescoping steering wheel to ensure the perfect driving position for those trips across the Sumas Flats. A popular question we see online is, what kind of driver assistance and safety technology is included on this trim? This F-150 XL comes standard with pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, a rear-view camera, and a reverse sensing system. It also includes advanced track with roll stability control and the SOS post-crash alert system, ensuring you feel confident whether you are driving through downtown Abbotsford or out on the highway. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.